Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Thanks so much for joining me for this super quick project share. I have my niece right here and she's ready to go through this book with you. She actually ended up inspiring me in so many other ways. I had this book sitting around and I hadn't decorated it for a while until she came over and she started to just add a bunch of spunk to it. So let's go ahead and show them the front cover up close if you want to bring the book up close so they can see. She is so unbelievably creative. You could bring it a little closer. Beautiful. She decided to put this nice little piece here and then she just said, you know what, Auntie, this looks good here and there. She stuck sweet, beautifully centered right there. And we actually kind of modeled this after the example on this Simple Stories paper pack. So this is the collection from the Wildflower. We ended up not putting anything on the spine here if you want to twist it around so they can see the spine. But she did do a bunch of stuff on the back. So show them the back that she just went to town on here. This is 100% her. And she ended up using dimensional foam tape actually too. She added these little pieces with the journaling pen and she dotted around some of these little characters. Unreal. I was just blown away by this and I know you guys are going to find some happy inspiration from it too. So let's open this up. That ribbon right there is actually just from the Dollar Tree. So we just got it out of the stash and I showed her how to stick it on. She's so much fun. And right here on the front inside cover, if we tilt it like this, you can see that beautiful acetate. Now this design is the Slender mini album. If you ever wanted to learn how to make one of these, I have an entire tutorial down in the description. I'll leave all the info down there for you. And you can use any paper you want. I originally used Christmas paper, but again, use anything you want. I've got strips right here. I just stuck these on and a nice big 8x10 picture can fit in here. You can mat the inside or you can leave it out. So this book is completely specified for 4x6, 5x7s, and 8x10. So it comes together in super, super quick. And then we have another picture spot right there, which you have access, I believe, on the side for this one. She ended up sticking these stickers here and here. I never thought to apply a sticker directly on to the mat of the frame before, and I just thought that was a brilliant idea. So we got a couple little picture spots and fun little bits and pieces. And then right here, a nice 5x7 picture space. Again, we have to let the acetate shine because it is so much fun. We've got all these little picture spots here. And then again, she stuck a sticker here. I just thought that was genius. I never thought to do that before. One right there in the corner. Good job, Harlow. This just turned out fantastic. She did another one there and kind of just let the rest of the page speak for itself. And even if you wanted, you can stuff some other little extra little guys back into these pockets or even tags if you wanted. So we got a cute little moth, little journaling spot there. And then right here, so there's two little page units in here. Again, 4x6. She did this one in a diagonal fashion there. This is cute. I mean, brilliant idea, Harlow. Totally love it. And then some more little places for pictures here. You can put journaling or more photo spots. And then we can journal down here. So I have family over. And this was so much fun. Harlow inspired me to finish this book. She chose these colors out. The combinations are awesome. If you actually ever decide to become a subscriber, you gain instant access to every single class that I have. And it would just be so awesome to craft along with you. Private community access and access to all the different crafting podcasts. And soon to come, some live chats that we're going to be doing. So I'm super excited. Thank you again, everyone, so much for watching. Harlow, good job, buddy. You're the best. Hope everybody has a good day. Bye.